Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the 15 unbelievable image secrets for ChatGPT. Yeah, you can't miss right now. You should know. So it's amazing tool trending right now, and it helps you to create social media content by ChatGPT. And I'm also giving you a free download of your working success. So I'm going to show you at the end of the video. So stay for the end and let's dive in together. So now open ChatGPT and we are going to ask create a photorealistic picture of a girl wearing sunglasses in front of the Miami beach, make the lighting natural and the scene as well. So it's going to be this title, and there is a question. If you like to have a example, you can specify that your needs, and I just added to blonde and green eye, and here is the generated picture. And here you can click here download, and I asked for make a subtitle with some promotion text, and there is a subtitle sunshine style and spirit of Miami, embrace the moment. And ChatGPT asked me, would you like to tone more playful, luxurious, targeted toward specific product or brand? And I would like to make it more playful to the picture. And here is another picture right here, sunshine style and spirit of Miami Beach at the moment. Now I asked ChatGPT, please change the subtitle font to make it more trendy as a social media content featuring the product to the sunglasses, because I want to feature these sunglasses as a new product on social media, on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, any kind of social media channel that you can imagine right here. So this was the original plan, to create a photorealistic picture of a girl wearing sunglasses in front of the Miami beach and make the lightning and the natural scene. As you can see, it's so natural colors and the background is so beautifully appealing here. You can change it anytime or just ask GPT to change it. If you like to go, just download it, click here and just go with the subtitle. Just ask GPT to add some subtitle, like it generated this kind of, for example, as a subtitle. And you can also ask another thing to change on the image anytime. So I asked to make more playful. So this is a subtitle. You can rate this image here, like it or not. You can go with the like button if you like this. And now it's processing our image right here. And here is our new image for social media, seeing a clearly, keeping balance, sunglasses. So this is a perfect example for social media content, which is trending right here with these kind of natural colors, summer. And now I just asked ChatGPT, please make this picture for my next Instagram ad featuring the product. So got it. Here is a version of the image, and it's going to be style, eye-catching, fun, modern, and the format is going to be Instagram friendly, and the text is going to be promotional, playful, focused on the sunglasses, and the design is going to be clean layout, bold fonts, product focused messages, and it's now generating the updated Instagram image for me. So this is a new kind of ask for me to ChatGPT to make it more kind of Instagram friendly for the Instagram ad campaign. It can be suitable as well. So as you can see, we started with this original picture right here, and I just asked ChatGPT to add some kind of text here. Then I asked to make it more featuring the product and focus highlighting the product as a social media content. And you can see highlighted the sunglasses here. And I just asked ChatGPT to focus on an Instagram ad featuring product. So now it's going to generate us a featuring product right here, as I'm going to show you right now. Now it's going to be just a sec, and it's going to show us the new picture, which is focused on an Instagram friendly ad, which is going to be perfect for an image. And then you can use this for your Instagram. You can download it anytime. Just click here. You can download this picture here, and don't forget to add a feedback. Like here, you can like it or dislike it. I'm going to go with dislike, and you can click here and download your picture anytime, or just ask ChatGPT to make a change, and it's going to make. So this is a new design for Instagram kind of ad campaign, and you can download from here. You can rate this picture here or here. I'm going to go with dislike because I like this side right here. So you can go and ask any kind of, and now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to replace the woman, and we are going to go with this new version. As I show you right now, I just asked ChatGPT, please replace the woman for man and the background should be London Tower Bridge. Now here is the image that just created ChatGPT. So the background is London Tower Bridge and this is a new character person and the subtitle is the same. You can click here to download. You can read this image like here. Just like it if you want to. So let me go. I just type this one here, a photorealistic picture of a girl wearing sunglasses in front of a Miami beach, making lightning natural and the scene as well. So this was the original picture, and this was the original picture with the subtitle I just asked for. Then I just designed the subtitle and make it more Instagram ad friendly as for a new campaign. And this is another kind of subtitle that I just asked for, and now I just asked ChatGPT to replace the woman, and the background is now the London Tower Bridge, and it's also got replaced, and still featuring the beautiful sunglasses here as a social media content. So here I just please change the animal for exotic animal. So here is the exotic animal edition of the created magazine, which is featuring the cute animals, and you can see these kind of new exotic animals appearing right here, and you can go and ask ChatGPT to change the subtitles that we are just going to go right now. Subtitle to make it more trending text. So it's going to generate for our third image right now in just a sec. So let me show you the first original picture. This was the S from ChatGPT, cute animals featuring magazine cover. So this was the first original magazine cover of the cute animals. Then I just asked ChatGPT to make the animal change to exotic animals right here. So these are the second version of the picture. And now I just asked to change the subtitle to make it more trending text, and it's going to generate us for our new image. So here is our new magazine cover right now with cute animals, and change the animals, and the background is more tropical and less title, and these are the new headlines. Just click here if you like to download. You can read this image like here. If you click on it, you can read them as well. You can see this was the previous one that I just changed for this kind of thing, and dressed up more and more details available here. You can see the changes right here as I'm showing you right now. These are the ears are missing here and got changed as well, like the titles, and you can go and specify this one as well. So I'm going to go and ask for new titles and a new background. So I'm gonna go and ask another title. Make me another title for this magazine, and change the background as well for a kind of sky theme, and it's going to be so amazing right here. So I'll just go and ask ChatGPT, please make another title for this image and change the background for the sky theme, and it's also generating a new title for us. So it's going to be just in a sec, and you will see the new kind of picture. So let me show you to remember. This was the original one. This was the original ask that we are just add to ChatGPT to create this image right here. This was the second version of the image. This was the third version of the image with a changed subtitle and headlines and kind of new style. And this was our fourth version of the picture right here. We changed the background and the animal kind of changed the dressing style as well. And we got new kind of text appearing right here. So I just asked again ChatGPT, please make it more another title for this magazine cover and change the background for sky theme. So it's going to be ready in just. So here I just asked ChatGPT again, create an image of a comic book style tutorial for creating pastel. So this is a new image that I just created. Click here, download if you like this. You can read this image, like it or not. So you can go and make changes. Please make it a cover of a new social media content campaign and make it more realistic. So I just asked ChatGPT to create me a new picture. So this is a new picture for social media content campaign. You can read this image here, and you can click here and download this image as well. You can go change the subtitles here or just make it more realistic if you like to, like I just did. So I asked for a content campaign for social media and asked for make it more realistic in the pasta cooking theme as well. As you can see, it's beautifully appearing right here. I just asked ChatGPT to do these things. You can do and ask ChatGPT more to please change the subtitle, and it's going to change the subtitle, and it's going to ask you how you would like to see your subtitle, and you can type in trending style. Right now it's going to search for the trending style and it's going to generate you the picture based on your information. So it's going to take you just a second. It's going to generate you the new image based on this knowledge that you are just gave to ChatGPT right now. So now I just asked ChatGPT, please change the subtitle, and it's asked me to what kind of subtitle, and I gonna go with the trending style right now. So here we are, we changed it again. You can go click here, download if you like to. You can read this thing if you like this picture or make it your own. You can change the subtitle. So this was the original image, how to cook pasta. In first step, boil your water, add pasta, cook until tender, and drain pasta. And then I asked to make it a cover like a social media content campaign. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video, and don't forget to download your free work success plan right now and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.